Jesus.
Okay, she knows that she won't please. If she knows that she won't please.
Odira, listen now. Listen to me now. Odira.
So you don't like me? Huh? You don't like me? But say the yellow. Say
Guy, you recorded.
Yes.
Okay, see, Spano. You don't say you messed up before up. You understand? Calm down now. If they told you, just calm down. You understand? You don't see you get anger issue. Now this is what you do break TV the other day. And now this one, another one. You see what's up, we go just go now, we'll go better. You understand? Don't just free with it. You understand what I'm going to call? You sure? I'll call him.
Boss man. Good evening. Mama. Sorry. Okay. Nah, okay, I beg. Now based on what happened earlier, you understand? I say make we come beg you. Make forget Spanner. I beg. And we don't say Spanner get anger issues. You understand? But just I beg. That one is just I beg.
Yes, Spanner.
I beg. Spanner. I beg. Mama. I beg.
If you come out like this now, nowhere you go stay. Lagos, you know Lagos stay. And on night with this, I beg.
Mr. Bessie is only for Spanner. Because Spanner they play with her well. So Daddy, please forgive Spanner.
Uncle, please forgive him. That's why we have our differences. Me, I don't even like Asha. But for peace to reign. So please help.
Oh, but say you the yellow at me. So you don't even like me, Abi? So you propose to do what you do.
Even beg for you.
You propose to do what you do. So you don't like me. Huh? You don't like me, but say the yellow. Say the yellow. So you don't like me, but make boss forgive me, but you don't like me. Which can't talk with that one now?
I liked you before.
Calm down now.
See what I'm saying?
Calm down now.
See what I'm saying? Any small thing, Spanner go jack up.
We beg to beg.
Any small thing, Spanner go jack up.
Why you go?
One day Spanner go jack me up, oh. Spanner will jack me up, oh.
Boss, no, man. Now what did she talk? Make me not which one?
I don't want to hear anything again about everything you people say. But I don't want Spanner to be here anymore.
Oh, I beg.
You people came here to ask for forgiveness.
Yes.
For your own side, though. But he in there here in front of me, begin to shout.
I'm not shout now. What did she talk? Now what did she want?
Hold on.
Jesus.
There's still lights. There's still there.
They play for your matter.
Don't beg me. Don't beg me.
Calm down, please.
I beg.
Don't beg me.
Boss, this Spanner now.
My pressure say she don't like Spanner. I talk to you now. I talk to you.
You don't say they can all play in the house here. Sometimes if you are not around, you can play.
No face me.
You don't say sometimes they are not around. Precious, Spanner go they play. They go they play together. So
I
just
dey play for
forgive
him
me.
matter. In come
Why you go talk to him?
waiting now.
What did she talk? Now what did she? Which one be saying she go just open mouth? Okay, she knows that she won't please. If she knows that she won't please, ask go talk.
Father, I want to ask you something. Why is it that every small thing in this house, you don't begin to tackle people? The other day you break TV. Now you don't fight with my sister. Soon you go move it to my wife. After moving to my wife, maybe you probably go. No, you cannot move it to Christopher, or you move it to me. Spanner, I've said these things. Spanner will beat me one day in this house. Spanner will beat me one day in this house. I am telling you people now. Allow this boy go. Allow Spanner to go. Probably go back to village. Go back. Odira, you will have enough food there. That to come to my house and finish my food. Give me stress and give me BP.
But I'm not giving you stress.
See that one?
Now because of
Promise
what issue.
me.
I don't
You
know
don't
go do am again.
Which one be say? Which one be okay? Everybody there they plead.
You know go do am again. Will you calm down now? They talk to you now. No, they talk to. But everybody there they plead. Which one she just come and talk to me? I don't like him. I don't like him. Forgive him. Because your truth should not matter now. You are not proving anything now.
Okay, let me follow up.
You are not proving anything.
Madam, you don't do
You are not
that.
proving anything. You are not proving anything. You don't open your mouth to say I hate that.
I beg no vex.
Are you done?
He's about to go
Are you done ranting? You done ranting? No, get out.
Eh?
What is that? Get out! See it. Should I push you out?
Daddy,
Don't daddy me.
No.
Hold on,
Baby,
baby.
wait.
Hold on, baby.
Wait, why you-
So that this boy will know
Why you
that,
dey comot table
that,
now?
that will have respect.
I know, wait, but you Odira, listen now, listen to me now. Odira, stand wait. Odira, babe.
You are following my handle door.
Odira,
I don't want to see you in this house
Odira,
again. Open that door.
Odira,
I don't want to see you in this house again. Though.
Odira,
I don't want to see you in this house.
Odira,
Go.
Odira.
Go.
Odira.
I am tired of you.
Odira.
Even I'm tired of shooting with you. I'm tired of you eating my food every time. I'm tired of everything.
Baby.
Go. I don't do anything.
They eat.
Leave her.
Man no start with you.
Sit down.
Man no start with you.
Sit down.
Listen, sometimes you know go dey precious. If everybody want, okay, they Spanner they go play. They are very jovial style house. So if Precious says she not like Spanner, they come they argue. Make we ask wetin happen.
Wetin be the
Precious no like
problem?
Spanner. Wetin
Wetin happen? Spanner.
Mama, it's okay if you ask you, brother, now you have to do this thing.
Wetin happen now?
May you not start with me.
I never get your time.
Everybody go your room, please.
I never get your time. When I get your time.
Everybody go your room. Pressure, get out of here.
Spanner.
Hey,
come.
Oga, go and do what you're doing, please. Let me rest.
Baby, just call him back. You know say, abeg, please, yeah.
Go. Hey, what can one go. You people are giving me GP. So that my daughter will bleed. You people are making her eat. Did I eat? Whatever.
So, boss, Spanner don't go like this.
You get out of here also. Are you crazy?
If I person, so be talking something good, you'll be laughing. I'm not
And be recording me.
Eh.
Bring that phone.
Sir?
Give me that
Bring it
phone.
here.
Calm down, man. Now you buy it for me now. Calm down.
Baby, give my